Hey y'all, how are you guys doing? Because I'm doing great. I hope you're all doing fine and good because I am. So guys, in my previous video, I did basically an introduction to explaining this, and this is from a grade 9 math exam paper, GAUTENG 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, GAUTENG 2018. This is a June exam paper actually. It might not look like an exam paper, but these are basically the questions that come from that paper. And let's get to it. So it says here, study the following expression. Now, when you attempt questions relating to things such as these, like studying the following expression, always ask yourself questions like how many terms are there, what is the coefficient of this. You can even write it down at the bottom of your answer sheet or exam paper or any space around, so that maybe when a question arises, you'll go check what you wrote down, some notes on your exam paper. So let's get to it. It says here, how many terms are there in the expression? You guys can pause the video and try to answer these questions yourself, and then we can answer it together. So let's get to it now. We can see the expression 3a squared b plus 4a cubed b minus 6ab squared plus 9. So how many terms are there in the expression? There are 4 terms. Remember, terms are only separated by a plus and minus, not by multiplication, not by division, only addition and subtraction. I mentioned this in my previous video. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And in between them, we can see a plus, minus, and plus. Right? So your answer is, there are 4 terms. Write down the coefficient of b squared. Now let's look for b squared. Here we see b squared. Now remember, what is a coefficient? A coefficient, it is the number multiplying the variable. Remember, I also said that the coefficient, it is the number that is in front. So what is in front of b squared? -6, but not just -6, -6a. Okay, remember, coefficient, okay, it is the number that is in front of the variable. So the coefficient of b squared is what? -6a, in front of what they are asking you. So it is -6a. Last question. Write down the constant term. Now remember, I said in my previous video that the constant, okay, it is the simple number or the simple numerical value. It stands on its own. It doesn't need anything. It's unmarried. It's just, on its own. So your constant term is 9. Correct. And guys, these are only 1 mark. So 1 mark there, 1 mark there, and 1 mark. Guys, don't stress. I checked this from the memo, and these are all the right answers. Thank you, guys. It has come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any new video of mine that pops up. Thank you, guys.